So in this video, I wanted to kind of share with you guys just some recent purchases that I've been picking up along the way in the past week. It's not a huge haul or anything like that, but just when I find deals and steals, you guys know that that's my thing. I really like that. I love to save money, but I also do love luxury items, things like that. So when I can have the opportunity to save, I am definitely going to do that. And I love sharing those things with you guys as well, just to kind of help you guys save money, but still be able to find quality and, just luxury items so that you can add them to your collection. Okay. So the first item that I picked up is this really nice coat. I picked this up from Old Navy, and I went in with my daughter so that she can pick out something for a friend for Christmas. And of course, while she was shopping and kind of looking around, my eyes went directly to this. I don't know where this, it's just, I don't know, as you change, as you get older, your preferences and things like that change. And so I've always been obsessed with the color blue and silver, and that was always my two favorite colors. And then just lately, I think probably in the last, probably 5 years or something, I have been obsessed with gray. So I just can't get enough of gray. Anytime I see anything or a key piece, a bag, pair of shoes, a jacket, anything in the color gray, to me it just seems so streamlined. It just seems just so classic, and it goes with everything. And so I came across this, and I was super excited to kind of see this, and I will insert some pictures and things like that as to how it looks, and also a mod shot. But it was on sale for 50% off. And so it just has this really nice classic cut to it. It's really nice, and it's super comfortable, and I just love just how it looks. It's just very tailored. It's just very clean looking, very streamlined. And this is a jacket that you can, pair with, just dress up or also dress down. And I just love that even if I'm wearing sneakers, leggings, and a t-shirt with this on top, it just instantly looks pulled together. I will put all the links down in the description box, but I was really happy to find this, and I think after everything it was probably $78 and it ended up being $35, so I was really excited. And it's not too heavy for being a wool coat, because sometimes you can get them and they feel like they weigh about 20 pounds, and I didn't want to have that. I just wanted to have something a little bit lighter, and especially we have a international move coming up soon, and so where we'll be going, I don't need anything, too heavy. Stay tuned for just a chit chat video on that of our move. I know we're always on the go, but I just wanted something that I can still wear, that can be seasonal, but it's not going to be too heavy, especially where we're going. I don't need a heavy wool coat. I just need something for maybe even in the mornings or something like that. Okay, so the next items that I picked up, they're small, and these are just going to be just little stocking stuffers for friends of mine. So I just kind of went down to the Coach outlets, and so they have the premium outlets. It's probably about, I want to say, 12 miles from where I live. So I don't get to go down there too often, especially when there's a lot of traffic. But I just definitely wanted to stop by and just kind of pick out some things for a friend. And so I picked up the first item that I got. It was this super cute little red, wristlet wallet, I guess, or little pouch. But I just wanted to get this for a girlfriend of mine. I know that she loves, when we go out, when we can go out again, she likes to carry things that are a lot more smaller and just a little bit more streamlined, a little bit more, she can either stick it in her pocket, carry it, just as this tiny little clutch, or she can just kind of put it around her wrist and just kind of have that extra security, or just when she is traveling. And so I wanted to pick out something for her, and I thought this was absolutely adorable, and I just love the color. And yeah, I'll link the prices and everything down below, and the name of this as well. But I just thought with the seasonal, just the red metallic, it went with, the holiday season, Christmas, and I know that she is going to absolutely love this, and I cannot wait to give this to her. And the next item that I picked up is this card case, and so this is really cute. I'm not sure exactly who I'm going to give this to. What I like to do for Christmas is definitely just kind of go along the way and just kind of pick up things. Either I'll find them on sale, or I'll just find a really good deal on them, or if it's a really great price, like I'll pick up more than one in different colors. And that's what I did with this one. But I just wanted to kind of show you, instead of the array of colors that I got, but just the basic black. And I think this could kind of go for a guy, but this is really nice. It's got, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4 card case slots. And then you've got like the opening on the inside as well, and it just has the simple Coach. And both of these items, yes, came from Coach. I wasn't sure if I mentioned that, but I'm really excited. But this is just something that's really smooth. It's really thin, and I think this would be perfect just to kind of put into like a back pocket, or just slide it into a purse, or just something that when you're changing out your purses, things like that. It's just really great and interchangeable. And just, small and easy to carry. So I'm very excited to share this with a lot of my friends. I thought this was a really great price. I think this came up to $40 with the discount, and so I was able just to kind of pick up a couple of these so that I can just kind of hand them out as stocking stuffers in a cute little box or things like that this holiday season. And sorry I lost the footage. I filmed this, but I also wanted to share this with you guys. I also picked this up at the same time I picked up the other items. This is their Coach laptop case, and I just picked this up for me. I thought it was a really great buy. I recently got a computer, and I just wanted to have something that when I am traveling that I can just keep inside. It has a really nice like a suede fabric on the inside that I thought was it's really soft, and then this cute little front pouch as well. And it retails for about $278, and at the outlets I got it for about $66, $67. And then it also has a really nice back pocket as well. So I've just already been using this and just kind of storing either my laptop or my iPad inside. And it even crossed my mind to use it as a large clutch, because I'm always trying to think outside the box when I do find something new, and just using it for, multi-purpose. Okay, and the next item, and the last in just the recent purchases that I've been doing lately, is the Hermes Bag. I've been eyeing this bag for quite some time. I was really excited to pick this up. I do not have any Hermes in my collection, and so I was really happy to kind of add this to it. It's it's very classy. It's very ladylike. I love the tap handle, but at the same time, it's super casual as well. And so I just love the silver hardware detailing on it. I love that it's got the little lock at the back. But this is a pre-loved item, and so I picked this up from eBay from the seller Brandoff Tokyo. So I was excited and just felt very comfortable to purchase from Brandoff, only because I've been to Japan 2 or 3 times, I can't remember, and I've been to their actual stores, and so I felt very comfortable and safe ordering from them in their actual stores. They have a lot of just all brands, and they're very clean, they're very respectful, they're very helpful, and their items are real. And so, but of course, going the internet route and ordering, especially from eBay, I do encourage you to get your items authenticated. You can authenticate the photos that you do see online, but definitely when you get the item in your hand, and I will leave a link down below to the website that I use, I will get the bag authenticated again as well, just for peace of mind, because you are paying a certain amount of money, and you want to know and have that peace of mind that your purchase is in true and in fact. And so I definitely recommend doing something like that. So I can't remember if I mentioned, but this bag, when I purchased it online, did not come with the clochette, and it did not come with the bag strap. So I know that Hermes, and I'll kind of insert a picture, they do carry their own version of this guitar strap, but I wasn't willing to pay $1,100 for it. And so I went on Etsy, and I'll link that down below as well. And I found somebody who makes something pretty similar, and it matched really well, and it just kind of hooks up, you know, to the same spots that it traditionally would. And so you'd want to kind of turn that and pull it apart. And if you want more detailed, I can do a different video on how you know, interchange the bags and things like that and take it apart and put it back together. But it came with this lock. And so I'm just happy, you know, that it came with those extra details and things like that. But I'm really glad that I found the bag strap. And to me, it wasn't important to have, you know, the specific Hermes strap, maybe in the future, but for right now, it just works really well. So I thank you guys so much for joining me in this video. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave those down below, and I'll see you in my next video.